In this video we're giving an honest review of NiceHash, a cryptocurrency mining platform that connects miners with buyers of hashing power. Founded in 2014, NiceHash allows users to mine various cryptocurrencies and receive payouts in Bitcoin. Its user-friendly interface and automated profit switching feature make it accessible for both beginners and experienced miners. NiceHash lets users monetize idle hardware by renting out computing power. It supports a wide range of mining algorithms and includes tools like a profitability calculator to estimate earnings. A mobile app is also available for monitoring mining activity on the go. However, some users have reported slow customer support and challenges with account verification. There are also concerns about pricing and competitiveness compared to other mining pools, which may affect overall profitability. Overall, NiceHash is a convenient option for those looking to start cryptocurrency mining without extensive technical knowledge, but it's important to consider customer support and compare potential earnings with other platforms. If this review helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more honest tech and finance insights.